Hey lovelies! Summer is here, the sun is shining, and the heat has set in, which means if you're anything like me, the less time you can spend cooking in the kitchen, the better. So today I'm sharing 3 yummy recipes that all feature pre-cooked shrimp, so you don't have to do any cooking yourself. How great is that? No stove necessary. Just a reminder, all 3 of these yummy recipes are being featured on healthymealplans.com. The site allows you to browse through hundreds of recipes, build your meal plans for the week, and then generate your shopping list you can take straight to the grocery store. If you have not checked it out yet, I highly recommend you do. It is full of all sorts of yummy inspiration, just like you're gonna see today. Now, without further ado, let's get to our shrimp recipes, starting with these amazing Old Bay shrimp rolls. These are seriously to die for. I'm starting with some cooked shrimp. Now, usually you can find this frozen at your supermarket. You could always use shrimp that hasn't been cooked, but in the summer, it's nice to not have to do any of that cooking yourself. As you can see, my shrimp are peeled and the tails removed. I've just given them a rough chop. And to that, I'm going to add all sorts of yumminess. For a little bit of contrasting texture, I'm adding some celery. I've got some green onion headed in here. I'm going to add a good helping of mayo to this. Now, I don't traditionally use a lot of mayonnaise in my cooking, but when it comes to a shrimp roll or a lobster roll, that's where I make an exception. Then to that, I am adding the super secret but very important ingredient, Old Bay seasoning. If you're not familiar with Old Bay, it is a classic seafood seasoning. It brings out a beautiful flavor. Next, for even more great flavor, I've got some prepared horseradish as well as some lemon juice headed in here. And I'm gonna finish that off by tossing it with some salt and some pepper. Once all of that yumminess is mixed up, it is ready to be stuffed into these amazing little dinner rolls. I found these in the bakery section at my supermarket. You should have seen the team's eyes light up when they saw these in the studio this morning. There's something about dinner rolls that just gets people excited. I like to just use a paring knife to cut a little hole in the center of each dinner roll, and then I pack each one full of my amazing Old Bay shrimp mixture. If you wanted to skip the bread in this recipe, of course you could use lettuce wraps instead. Those would be super refreshing, but I do love me a shrimp roll. Guys, these are a total winner. For another amazing summery offering, I have got these tangy shrimp tostadas that are to die for. Now, these are inspired by a traditional shrimp ceviche. In this case, I'm actually using my pre-cooked shrimp, but I'm going to mix it up with all sorts of yummy citrus to get that sort of ceviche feel. Before I do that though, I'm going to mix my shrimp up with a little bit of avocado, some cucumber, some finely chopped red onion, and some minced jalapeno for a little bit of bite. Lots of flavor, lots of color, lots of crunch. And then I've got some cilantro headed in here. As I mentioned, the tang in this recipe is going to come from a whole lot of citrus, starting with some orange zest. You guys know that I obsessively add zest and juice whenever I can. And I'll contrast that with some slightly more tart lime. I'll add a little salt and give it all a good toss. This is gonna be so good. Even the smell of this is getting me excited right now. I like to let this mixture sit for between 10 and 15 minutes in the refrigerator, just till all of those flavors come together. Then it can be piled on top of your tostada shells and enjoyed immediately. These tangy shrimp tostadas ought to leave you feeling really satisfied. Finally today, I am making a delicious protein-packed summer salad that is just bursting with summer produce. It all starts with some Bibb lettuce that I've just torn up and arranged on a plate. To that, I'm going to add a ton of great crunch. So I have some red bell pepper headed on here. I'm also going to add in some cucumber. Nothing says summer produce quite like fresh cucumber. And then I'm going to pile on my shrimp. These have the tails on. They're a little more affordable that way. If you want to spring for tails off, definitely something that is worth thinking about. Shrimp is such a perfect summer protein, and of course goes so well with lots of delicious sweet corn. For my dressing, I'm keeping things super simple. I've got some olive oil, some white wine vinegar, a little shallot, and some basil headed into a bowl. I'll mix that up and then dress my salad just before serving. Salad for dinner, 10 minutes or less, no cooking, no fuss, no muss, tons of awesome flavor. This is summer dining at its finest. I definitely recommend serving this yumminess on the patio with a nice, cool, crisp glass of Sauvignon Blanc. Guys, I hope you will give all 3 of these yummy recipes a try. If you do, be sure to tweet me, Instagram me, or Facebook me a photo because I love seeing your kitchen creations. Again, all of these recipes are available on healthymealplans.com, so you can find them there. And finally, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell because there is lots more deliciousness where this came from.